it's Jim from JetsonHacks.com. Today we're working on the software for the Matrice 100, and we're going to compile a little demo program that reads the camera on the Manifold. Let's get started. One of the useful tools that DJI provides is a flight simulator. It runs under Windows. This particular demo is Windows 8.1. I've started up the simulator. Let's fire up the drone and take it for a ride. So the first thing we do is take the remote control and fire it up. I've attached a NVIDIA Shield tablet to it. Then we start the drone. I've put a battery into it. You can see that the camera gimbal's moving around, coming to life. And then the next thing we do is attach the drone through a micro USB cable. The serial number comes up, and we start the simulation. Then display the simulator.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so I have the controller in beginner mode. Now I should be able to fly. So to arm the device, go like this. The little propeller starts spinning. And we can do an automated takeoff through the Go app on the Shield tablet, or I can simply use the sticks. And this simulates the flight characteristics of the Matrice. When we start doing our autonomous flight, we'll be able to simulate the flights in the simulator, which will be pretty comforting before we go out for the real flights. In this lower left-hand corner, there's some information about the coordinates and the pitch and the yaw and the roll. It also has auto landing capabilities, so I can select that from the menu. Ask me if I want to land the aircraft. I say okay.
Landing.
A useful little tool. Another piece of software is the DJI Assistant 2, which allows you to set up some of your parameters, such as your GPS mounts, which side of the aircraft the GPS is mounted. And you can set up SDK parameters. So enable API control is useful if you're programming the flight controller from a different device. And that's also how you do your firmware upgrades. The guidance system also has an associated program. It's used to view the cameras and to calibrate them. So I can look at all 5 of the sensor cameras. This is the forward-looking one. And you can also calibrate the cameras with this. It's the same deal. You take a USB cable here and you plug it into the guidance system to be able to get the images. So let's hook up our manifold HDMI to a monitor and keyboard and mouse go into the USB ports. You can also plug in a Ethernet cable if you'd like. I'll turn on the RC controller. And then the flight controller battery. Man, that thing's loud. Camera wakes up. Turn on the manifold. You see the manifold booting over here. Here's the familiar desktop. Included on the manifold is a little demo program. This little demo program allows the user to get a video stream from the manifold, from the X3 camera. So let's make that. Demo manifold underscore cam make. Okay, sudo /test -d to display. And there's Penelope Aurora right there.